Hello guys, my name is Aishwarya from Legathon. Welcome to our channel. Most of us are wondering as to how judiciary is working in the time of lockdown. How lockdown has affected judiciary? Has judiciary completely closed its shutters to justice? What are some of the important orders, guidelines given by court to fight against the coronavirus pandemic? Let's see if all these questions can be answered in this video. Now let's see how courts are working during lockdown. Supreme Court on 6th of April 2020, comprising of bench of Justice D.Y. Chandrachud and Justice Nageshwar Rao, issued guidelines for functioning of court by video conferencing during COVID-19 lockdown. So in simple words, if I have to say, it's work from home for judges. They can sit in their chambers, hear the matter and finally deliver the judgment. So Supreme Court has issued these guidelines in exercise of power under Article 142 of the Constitution, as access to justice is fundamental of law in democracy as envisaged by Constitution of India. Now let's see what are some of the important directions, orders passed by the Supreme Court during lockdown. First one, urgent matters only. In order to comply with central government's announcement for national-wide lockdown on account of COVID-19 pandemic, several courts in India have issued notification to hear matters which are of urgency in nature. Now coming to second matter, that is release of prisoners, Supreme Court in a suo motu petition directed early release of prisoners to reduce the risk of virus transmission in jails. And it also further ordered to all states and union territories to set up high-powered committee to determine which all classes of prisoners can be released on parole or interim bail, and according to which almost 4,66,000 prisoners qualify for early release or parole. Now coming to third matter, that is free testing for coronavirus. Well, this has been in news for a while. In the matter of Shashank Deosudhi versus Union of India, Supreme Court directed for free testing for coronavirus whether in approved government laboratories or approved private laboratories. But what happened on 8th of April, Supreme Court bench modified its order and directed that free testing for COVID-19 shall be carried out only for such people who are eligible under Ayushman Bharat, Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana and other economically weaker section of society. Now coming to the last matter in the slide, that is interest of children under Juvenile Justice Act, Supreme Court in a suo motu writ petition has directed Juvenile Justice Board and children courts to conduct online video sessions for inquiries. It has also further directed to take up steps to release children alleged to be in conflict with law. Now let's look into what are some of the important public interest litigations, that is PIL, filed in Supreme Court to fight against COVID-19. First one, a PIL has been filed seeking declaration of financial emergency. So in the light of COVID-19, a PIL has been filed in Supreme Court by Center for Accountability and Systematic Change, stating that divergence in steps taken by different authorities is leading to situation of confusion and lawlessness. Well, can court direct state to impose financial emergency? I request you guys to comment below to express your views on this PIL. Second PIL is relating to restraining landlords from demanding rent from students and especially laborers amid lockdown. So this PIL has been filed by an advocate of Delhi, Pawan Prakash, to restrain all landlords from forcing laborers and students to vacate premises due to failure to pay rent. Petition also stated that students and labor class are living in constant fear and depression. Now next PIL is about allowing migrant workers to go to their hometown after coronavirus test. A PIL has been filed by Jagdeep Chokkar seeking direction from Supreme Court to allow migrant workers across nation to return home after conducting necessary COVID-19 tests and make necessary arrangement for their transportation. Now coming to last PIL in the slide, which is relating to uniform policy for giving financial assistance to lawyers. As we all know that in this time of lockdown, almost every class of people are financially affected and lawyers are no exception to this crisis. A PIL has been filed by Abhinav Ramakrishna, who drew attention of the court towards various welfare schemes for providing financial assistance to depressed lawyers. Well, so these are some of the important PILs that have been filed in Supreme Court to fight against the coronavirus pandemic. So that's it guys. Hope these slides answered some of your questions. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please subscribe to this channel and hit bell icon to get notification of upcoming videos. Bye guys.